Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix AI scene detection errors in Revid AI. So make sure that you manually split scenes. Use the timeline tools or basically, to manually add or adjust scenes. You can just place this scene or delete it and add another media from other medias to basically delete that or to prevent that detection from happening. Make sure that you combine incorrect splits, merge improperly separated scenes. Make sure that you choose instead of that scene, for example, you can just add another scene by clicking add media or add another video just to confuse the AI detection process. And make sure that you update the software if you are using iPhone or Android. Make sure that you go to your App Store, Google Play, to download the latest version with improved algorithms. And after you finish, hit export at the top right. Make sure that you export with the same settings right here, and then test the video for AI detection. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.